In Unit 1, we've been learning about the structure and function of organisms. Today, we will review the structures and functions of a plant. The purpose of a plant's flower is to help the plant reproduce. Seeds contain the beginning of a young plant as well as a supply of food for the plant. The function or purpose of a plant's leaves is to make food from the energy in sunlight. A plant's stem helps move water and other materials from the roots to the leaves. A plant's roots have multiple purposes. They take water and other materials from the soil, hold the plant in the soil, and store extra food that the plant doesn't need right away. All of these structures work together to help the plant survive. Can you explain how that happens?